So in this week's video we're going to be covering emerging out of tricky junctions that you can't see because people park cars on them, and we're going to use clutch control, gas control, a bit of creeping out and a good observation at the same time. So let's approach this junction. I know what's to expect, but I'm going to try and explain what's going to happen when we get there. So it's a bit of a closed junction, so we're just going to move off. And with closed junctions that are dangerous, you've got to creep out or peep out. So we're going to do a right turn to start with, so I'll just let her know what's going on. And when we get to the junction, I can see on the right. The left I can't see. The woman's past me because they're going past then. And that's the other thing you've got to be aware of. Now, the danger here is the left, because I can't see. That bush is kind of hard in my view and there's a few cars there. So the right's definitely clear. So a bit of gas, a little bit of clutch and creep out. Don't jump out fast. Just, that's clear, and look and hold the clutch still. If it's not clear, then you lower the clutch and then do a check to make sure you've not missed them. So that's a nice quick one to kind of deal with emerging out of a tricky junction, and that's on the left side blind, emerging right. So we'll just go around and do a slightly different one. So we're going to do a right turn here, and I'll take us to another junction that we're going to emerge out of. That's tricky on both sides. So we're just going to follow the road round at this point. And this is a tricky little bend, so I'm covering the brake, just going a little bit wide and checking to my right there to make sure no one's coming around fast. Because if I can control the speed, it's easier. If I'm going around the corners fast, it becomes dangerous because I'm not giving myself time to check things, not giving myself time to react to things. So we're just going to follow the road ahead, bit of a swivel to the right and left. So I'm just going to slow down for the left and right here because there's no priority on this bit here, so you just got to be careful. So when you're driving on the road, there should be little alarm bells ringing telling you that oh, it looks dangerous, slow down and check. So it's a right turn at end of this road, so mirrors to the right, signal, and it's an unmarked junction. I'm checking, pop it in first gear, right, left, right. It's nice and clear, nothing too tricky. This is the awkward one. We're going to go left. Centre mirror left, so it's a left emerge. Now, as I approach it, there's a van on my right and a car on the left. So I'm stopping a little bit short, deliberately, to see up the road. Because if I stop right at the junction, I'm not going to see. And so I'm getting a little bit of gas, a little bit of clutch. Creeping out slowly and checking, because there's a bend ahead of me, which could change. So a car could come flying round there, so that's why it's just taking me time with it. I'm not rushing it. And we're going to do a left turn here, and then we're going to pull over. So if you like the idea of me showing you what's happening with the feet at the same time, as well as trying to explain it, then do leave a comment. Do subscribe to my channel if you're new to the channel. If you're a regular, then I hope this video is helping you in your progression with your driving lessons, which will eventually get your test. And remember, keep trying. Don't worry about the fact that, oh, I can't see. Don't be rushing out. So on them junctions that I was on then, there was tricky, there was hard. So it's important that you stop and have a good look. It's not just a right, left, right. If it looks like it's dangerous, park cars, there could be something behind them parked cars. Good luck with your driving lessons, and we'll see you next week.